I wish you all the best in the future.
I saw Mark before the exam and he wished me luck.
I'm sorry you're not well. I hope you feel better soon.
I wish you a pleasant stay here.
I hope you have a pleasant stay here.
I wish I knew what to do about the problem.
I wish you didn't have to go so soon.
Do you wish you lived near the sea?
Jack's going on a trip to Mexico soon. I wish I was going too. I wish I'd known about the party. I would have gone if I'd known.
It was a stupid thing to say. I wish I hadn't said it.
I'm sorry I have to go. I wish I could stay longer.
I've met that man before. I wish I could remember his name.
I hear the party was great. I wish I could have gone.
I wish it would stop raining.
The phone has been ringing for 5 minutes. I wish somebody would answer it.
I wish you'd do something instead of just sitting and doing nothing.
I wish you wouldn't keep interrupting me.
I wish Sarah would come.
But
I wish Sarah was here now.
I wish somebody would buy me a car.
But
I wish I had a car.